Today we are learning about rounding decimals. Here's just a quick reminder on how decimals are named. So in the first digit, it's called the ones, and then tenths, and then hundreds, and then thousands. And on the decimal side on the right, it goes tenths, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, and 100,000s. But today we'll only be looking at tenths and hundredths.
The first rule for rounding is to find the decimal place you want to round to. Then, if the digit is less than 5, so from 0 to 4, you keep it the same. And if the digit before is 5 or above, so from 5 to 9, you round it up.
Here are some examples. So in the first example, we have 10.22. Now, using the rules for rounding, we're going to look at the first decimal place you want to round to, which is the tenths. And in the tenths place, it's a 2. Now, using the second rule, since the digit before it is number 2, which is less than 5, we're going to keep it the same. So the answer will be 10.2. Moving on to the second example, 42.45. Once again, we're going to use a rule for rounding. So for the first rule, we're going to find the decimal place you want to round to, which is the tenths place in this case, which is a 4. Now we're going to use the third rule because the value before it is a 5, and the third rule states that if the digit before is 5 or above, we round it up. So the final value will therefore be 42.5. And for example number 3, we have 4.59. Again, using the rules, we're going to look at the tenths value, which is a 5. And again, we're going to use the rules for rounding, the third one. Because the number is 9, we're going to round it up from 5 to a 6. So the final answer will be 5.6.
For example number 4, even though you have a decimal in the 10,000s place, all you have to do is look in the 100,000s, and since it's a 1 and it's less than 4, the final answer when you round to the nearest tenth will be 1.1. Looking at the fifth example, 0.97, the decimal in the 100,000s place is a 7, so the final answer would be 1.0. And then finally 8.51, the decimal in the 100,000s place is a 1, so the decimal in the 10th place stays the same, and the final answer is 8.5.
So now we're going to look at rounding to the nearest hundredths. And now we have some examples. I'm going to ask you to pause the video and do these examples on your own using the rules provided.
Now, hopefully that you've done the examples, these are the correct answers. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed, and make sure to watch our next video. Thank you.